What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? How you guys doing? It's a brand new week, and we about to start a new week in another level, in a fresh another level. So I hope you guys had a good and blissful week last week. For me, it was good. I was about break even, which I was it was okay. Every week you are not expected to be, making money every week. There are some week it can be good. There are some weeks can be bad. There are some weeks that can also be great. So it's just a mixture of it. Overall, to have like good P and L, to have a good P in the long run. So like I said, trading it's a marathon. It's not for something you have to do in a short time and yeah and be profitable. So anyway, so let's dive into today's topic. So today what we're gonna just do breakdown on GBP USD and GBP JPY. So you all know how we start. We start from monthly time frame to get the overall trend. So overall trend we're getting right now, we're getting a sell trend, like the seller is taking over in this pair. So it means dollar is strong. Dollar is strong while the pounds is dipping. So what do we expect from uh sorry guys, like what do we expect from GBP USD, or what have been happening in the past few months? So first of all, we were trending where we were going like uptrend. Then we have this higher high and we have the market printing higher and higher low. Then at this point where we got a rejection from this point, then our expectation was like, okay, we're gonna get like our new higher low, who's gonna like, which we expected to print a new higher low, then we can see a continuation, but we didn't get that. So what we get instead is we have, how the market rejected to this point, breaking our two breaking our almost like our fresh higher low. Sorry, higher high. This is our fresh higher high. No, this is our fresh higher high, and this was our last higher high. Then we got it broken up. Then the second one got broken. So and it seems like we've gotten a retest because I can see a weak candle if I zoom. Sorry guys. Uh, if I zoom, this way, you can see what I was about to. Okay, so you can see that we got a retest at this level. So it's probably getting continuation of the trend. So if we move to 15 minutes time frame, first of all, let me delete this. If we move to 15 minutes time frame, so on monthly time frame, so let me say what I'm expecting on monthly time frame is, as we just broke the structure, there's our previous higher low, previous higher high. So what I'm expecting now is to have a retest at this level, then we can get a continuation. That way, yeah. So let's move to 15-minute time frame. Now let's move to weekly time frame. So on weekly time frame, we're gonna see more. Okay, see what I'm saying, guys. See what I like. This is what I'm saying, guys. Like, if you want to make a lot of money from trading, all you have to do is analyze from the higher time frame, then you get the overall trend. Overall trend, guys. See how what happened in this area. All this we can do, they are retest if you check them on smaller time frame. They are confirmation that okay, buyers are, these are exhaustion from buyers, and sellers are taking over. So these are exhaustion, like these are exhaustion, like buyer, they are exhausting their whole power, and the sellers are taking over. This is the definition of it. I'm gonna explain in a bit when I go to smaller time frame where you can see a clearer picture. But as far as GBP USD right now, I told you guys earlier, I said we expect the market to come to this zone, which it did on, and look at it, look at the weekend, respecting our previous higher low. This was it, guys. See, simple. This thing is simple. This is simple. It's so simple. We have a trend this way, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We have the market consolidating this area, then we broke it, then it give us a new higher low, then higher high, higher low, then this. Then we're expecting, if you look at this, you see how the market was consolidating this area. We have this indecisive candle. We have, you see how tiny it is. Then we have a long wick and long wick in this other side. So it means indecisive. It means that seller and buyer, they were just like the market was ranging at that particular spot. Then we got it broken. See, we got it broken, a retest. Boom, guys. We got it here. Then we got a retest also. The next thing, what do you think we're gonna have? The next thing we're gonna get is this point. Then we can get it, retest. Then it depends on what happened. Like I said, I trade price action. I don't just say, okay, this is what's gonna happen. But I'm just saying this is what market might be doing in the coming weeks. And with this dollar and with this war that is going on in Israel and Palestine, yeah, Palestine, and with everything going on in the world, we could see dollar getting stronger. And so this is what my weekly analysis is. Then we're gonna go to let me delete this first. Okay, so let's go to daily time frame. Then we can see if we are right about what we just analyzed. Okay, good. Now we are here, bruh. We are here, bruh. Bruh, 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 bruh. Bruh. Anyway, so we can see everything is alignment to what we did from our previous higher time frame. Then now we see that, like, you guys can see how the market was just moving in favor. We didn't even know. This is the power of analyzing the market from higher time frame. You get to see clear picture, and by the time you do, all you have to do is just go to smaller time frame and to be able to enter your trade, based on what you see from higher time frame. So we can see how. Then how did this one broke? We didn't see it on a higher time frame, but we can see that the market broke the structure, then came for a retest, then then we can see how it's all happening to the test. Like it didn't do anything otherwise. It didn't do otherwise. Let me just say it that way. So see, we have the market consolidating. Let me just delete all the drawings, guys, so that you guys can see. I don't this thing is just it's just so simple. I will not say simple, but if you train your eyes to see all these opportunities, it is something that like, look at this, guys. Look at this. All this is enough for you. See, all this is enough. All these are enough for you to. I'm just gonna copy, paste, paste, paste. We have this structure where we're supposed to see a reject. It did try to, but sellers took over, and I'll show you why just in a minute. We have this when the market broke and retest. This I'm just showing you confirmation that sometimes we have this here. I'm just gonna show you reason why sometimes we have this here. I'm indicating our previous higher high for you guys to see what I'm talking about. Our previous higher high and higher low, how they got broken. So, and uh and this was high. Okay. So then I'm just gonna use my rectangular uh okay. Copy, paste because we're gonna need it more. Okay. So okay. So do we need this? Do we need this now? So So okay, so now you guys can see what I'm trying to explain to you guys. So we have a previous higher high on a uptrend. We have a previous higher low. This is our previous higher low in this area. In this area. Previous yeah, we can call this was our previous higher low and higher high. And we were expecting to print higher low, which it did, but eventually broke it downside, and which is what we call break of structure. And it happened that we got a retest. Then after the retest, then the market started trending down. So, what do we expect from this week? So from this week, what we expect is nothing. It's nothing too much. Number one, we got a breakout from here. Okay, let me just delete this one. So now on daily time frame, we can see how we just broke this area of in. So this is area of supply or demand on trading buy, right? So what we expect right now is for the market, as we are retesting this area, we should continue our downtrend, because on a daily time frame, we should get a retest from this area, then from this area, then boom. These are my expectation from GBP USD this week. This is my expectation. This is what I will be focusing my attention on. I'll probably be selling more than buying. So if I go to 4 hours time frame, let's go to 4 hours time. Sorry, before you jump to 4 hours time frame, you got to start from 12 hours, because there's so much data to see other than just jumping from one daily time frame to 4 hours. So we got to see them on our time frame different. So we can see on sorry guys. Okay. We can see how this market is respecting this for a retest. Then hopefully it will continue that way. We just see this huge rejection from last week on Friday. So we can see continuation, or it depends on what we see on smaller time frame. It might be giving us different picture. So now let's go to 10 hours. Okay. So on 10 hours, we can see how we just broke this consolidation area. So like I said, we have to go through all this smaller time frame to know what the market is telling us in the market. So we're not just jumping from daily time frame to 4 hours. There's so much gap in between. So we can't really tell what data the market is trying to print for us. So let's go to 8 hours. Okay, so on 8 hours, we can see the market is giving us a retest on, we got a break of structure and we got a retest, and now we see the market is trending now. So let's go to 7 hours. Okay, same thing happened. There's no changes. We go to 6 hours. Okay, beautiful. So on these 6 hours, I can see how this market closed. So what I'm expecting to see on a smaller time frame is if we get a rejection, a retest this way, then boom. So this is what I will be waiting for on a smaller time frame. So let me delete this. Then okay. So, and at the same time, we might be rejecting up, because of this area of interest here on the supply demand zone. So we might be getting a rejection upside down. So again, the more we check the time frame, the more we get more data. Okay, so good. You can see how this huge rejection from buyers. So it means that sellers are still in charge. Sellers are still in charge. It's just taking a while for them to know. So on this time frame now, what I will do is I'll probably wait for something like this. If I'm to sell, I'll wait for something like this. Then I will go for a sell. That is one key moment I will see, or better still, I will check whether there's a consolidation and see how I can enter before the move start happening. So let's go to 4 hours time frame. So here is it, guys. Now we see a different picture. I've been trying to show you guys from 12 hours, 10 hours, 8 hours, 7, 6, 5, and now we are 4. We can see this huge rejection that was buying, but it later came down. So same thing. So what I'm gonna see or wait for is I will see what happened around this area. Then that should print head and shoulder. Then I'll, probably I'll be going for a sell. Then so sorry guys, an idea came to my head about one topic I should be doing. So yeah, that will be topic that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys is how to enter and how to exit from trading. It's very, very, very necessary. I deal with that challenge, and it's challenging. It can be depressing sometimes, giving away all your profit of 40 pips, 50 pips, and end up, eating your stop loss. So we're gonna have to talk about it. So right now on 4 hours time, let's go to 3 hours time frame. So guys, it's something that you have to learn how to. So on 3 hours time frame, we can still see how we are still trending. So basically what I will be doing is I will still be waiting. I will still be waiting to see the market go down this way. Then if we get a retest, I will enter. And even though we don't, if I see the market moving below this previous higher low, sorry, the market seems to be pretty higher low and higher high and higher low. So if we are able to cut away from this area, I will be entering sell. If not, then I will leave. There's no reason why I should be in the market. Let's go to 2 hours time frame. Oh, perfect. See, this is what I'm telling you guys. This is what I'm telling you. When you check on different time frame, you get like the data that the market is trying to explain to you. See, we just broke this area and we're getting our retest right now. Tell me what next. Tell me if you know. Tell me. Tell me what next. What next right now is that the market is about to go down. Like it's about to go down. London Bridge is going down right now. London Bridge is about to go down in this new week. So on 1 hour time frame is still different other than 2 hours time frame. But you can use these as a tool for your confidence and see whether to enter or not. So let's go to 45 minutes. So 45 minutes is saying sell. So what do you mean? We just broke this structure. See how these massive candles. Then we got a, oh man, last week trade was so messy. See how this is. The market close here. See how many stop loss they've hunted in this area. Then the market was trending, then you got rejected. So what I will be waiting for is that if we can get something to this upside and to confirm the move, I will be entering for sell here, this area. Other than that, the only thing I can do here is just wait, right? So I will, be seeing something like this, then boom. So I hope that makes sense, guys. So let's go to 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so 30-minute time frame, I will be expecting Are we be expecting for the market to come to this area? Are we be expecting for the market to come to this area? Yes. Are we be expecting it? Or better still, if we break this structure, come for a test, fine. I'm in. I'm in. And on 15 minutes time frame. Okay. Now 15 minutes time frame is telling me something else. Something else. Because what's 15 minutes time frame is printing in my own signal right now, it's printing a buy. It's printing a buy setup right here. Right here. The market is printing a buy setup right here. So remember, guys, when I was telling you guys earlier, the markets came down to this point. This was the retest. Sorry, guys. This was the retest. See what happened. It's simple. Trading is so simple, guys. You just have to get you just have to get used at spotting opportunities. You just have to get used get used with getting opportunities in the market. So what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing sell. I'm seeing buy. So if we want to buy, you can buy immediately after the market opens, right? But also if you want to sell, you should wait till we got a break of structure in this area. We get a test, retest, then you can sell. But do not sell around this area. It is not healthy. You're just gonna lose your money. What I can see here is buy. Strictly buy. Believe me. What I can see is buy. Only sell when the market gets here. Keep your stop loss very plain. Or you can sell from, you can buy from here. You can buy from here. Maybe okay. So yeah, exactly. So I hope that makes sense, guys. To me, it makes sense. And you can watch the video and do your own analysis. It is free of charge, and it's you might be able to get something better than me, but this is my own opinion, and this is how I'm seeing the market and what we should be expecting tomorrow, starting from tomorrow. So with that being said, I'm gonna jump right into GBP JPY right now because that's my favorite pair to trade. I don't know. So many people have been telling me to trade US 30, Nasdaq. I'm saying, for now, let's enjoy and make the money we can make from GBP JPY and GBP USD. So with that being said, I will see you on GBP JPY analysis. So peace out.